Welcome to part 2 of configuring multiple computers to work with LotWizard. In my previous video I showed you how to share the LotWizard data over your office network so that more than one user can access it. I'm now on a second machine where I want to hook up LotWizard. I want to make this the second computer at my dealership that has access to LotWizard. This is also a Microsoft Windows Vista Business machine. And we're going to follow some steps outlined here to connect to that data that we shared in the previous video. I'm going to open up my computer here. The same way I did in the previous video, I'm going to go to Start and then choose Computer, and this is what pops up. And here's all my drives. And there's a button up here I'm going to click in a moment that says Map Network Drive. Creates a shortcut to a shared folder or computer on a network. What I'm going to do is create a new drive letter, like you see C, my local disk C, and my DVD drive D. I'm going to create a new one of these letters for that folder that we created or shared in the previous video. So I'm going to click Map Network Drive, and here's the Map Network Drive wizard. It says what network folder would you like to map. This is drive W is suggested. It's suggesting W because I'm using Z, Y, and X. It's always going to give you a letter at the end of the alphabet. One that you're not using, of course. I'm going to choose drive L. This is arbitrary. It doesn't matter what letter you choose, as long as we can remember which one it is. We can always look it up if we need to see what letter it is. L for LotWizard is neat. If you use Z like zebra, because that's the one it suggests for you, that's fine. There's a box here that says folder and a browse button. And what we're going to do is click browse, and that's going to open up all of our network resources. This takes a moment. It actually has to go out and communicate with the machines on your network. If you don't see the name of the computer appear here that you're trying to access, then you have a networking issue. This is going to list computers, here they are, that are on my network, and I'm going to choose the one where we shared that data. It's the Dell 2600, so I'm going to click on it, and here's all the folders that are shared. There's actually printers shared as well. And here's Friday Systems. In the previous video we shared a Friday Systems folder, and here it is. That's the one we want to attach to. And I click that, just highlight Friday Systems and click OK. Again, if you don't see that, if it's not coming up in this step, you've got a network issue and you need to make sure that both your computers are on the same network. If they are not, you need to connect them to the same router or networking device. They need to be a member of the same work group. There could be a whole range of issues involved, and I encourage you to make sure your network is properly configured before you proceed and cause yourself a headache. So I've got my folder chosen. There's only one other option here that says Reconnect at Logon, and that is checked. We're going to leave that checked. That means every time you start the computer, make this drive L available, and we're going to hit Finish. And you see it opens up a window here of files. You can see I'm at Computer, then Friday Systems, L. This is my L drive. Here's all the files on that other computer. And if I close this, we come in here, we should see a drive L. And where is it here? Here it is. Ha, it took me a minute to find it. I got too much stuff in here. Friday Systems, L drive. So if I double click that, it opens up the same folder we were just in, the files on that other machine. So now we've got a computer that is communicating with our main LotWizard computer. We've got a drive mapped to the Friday Systems folder on that primary computer with the drive letter L. And that's the second step. In the next video, we're actually going to install the LotWizard software and make sure everything worked out perfectly. So please watch my next video if you're interested in continuing this process. Thank you.